Hi, Jonathan York from Investment Research Group, looking at investment markets ahead. The markets continue to be dominated by the events in Greece, where the finance ministers are trying to come up with a rescue package that will be acceptable to all parties. There does appear to be a package on the table, and now it's just a question of getting that package passed and approved by all parties. So expect another nervous market ahead, but overall I think the market is looking for some good news out of this, and I think with the IMF backing the rescue package as well, we should be able to get a reasonable solution to the situation. Elsewhere, the data that's coming out, certainly the latest data out of China, was still mildly encouraging, despite the efforts of the authorities to try and slow down, even after all the recent increases to ratios and increase in interest rates. The China economy is still pushing along at a pretty good rate, and it's certainly good for the global economy as that continues to fuel growth out there. Domestically, obviously we saw another couple of reasonable aftershocks in Christchurch last week, and that did have a little bit of a follow-on into the interest rate market in the short date, with some people now looking at possibly pushing out the first interest rate hike into first part of 2012. Although general consensus is still the end of 2011 we'll start to see the first interest rate hike. But again, very good opportunity to review that fixed interest portfolio and just make sure you are fully positioned for the potential move in interest rates when it does come. And call us on 0800 867 323 to review that fixed interest portfolio. New Zealand dollar has recovered a little bit after suffering a little bit of a sell-off after the fall in equity markets last week, but now what we're experiencing is a little bit of buying interest coming back, and again a very good opportunity to review some of those offshore shares to see just how they're performing given the change in the currency. Maybe a good opportunity to add to some positions as well, given the current levels of the New Zealand dollar. Disclosure statement available on request, or you can go to the website www.irgbop.co.nz for lots of interesting articles. I'm looking forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.